I just want to make a quick disclaimer. My hair is in most of the camera shots, so I'm sorry about that. I repeat. Alright guys, so today I will be riding my dirt bike all the way around downtown my city. And I'm going to be exploring, which is pretty cool. So, alright, I'll cut to me on my dirt bike. Alright, I'm getting on my dirt bike right now. Woo! Alright, so guys, I'm on my dirt bike. Sorry. Alright, so I'm on my dirt bike. Not really the best sounding quality, but at least it's something. That was my friend Jesse. So a little about me, my name's Ben. I'm a local, I live in, can't say that. Oh, fine. I live on the planet. That's all I can really say. And yeah, I live in a planet, and yeah, it's very cool living in my life. Everyone in the city knows you. It's a very small town. And yeah, it's just fun whenever like no one, well, not no one, where everyone knows you. Like, it's crazy to think about. Like, I know them, I know most of everybody in the city. It's a small town. I could say the state. Yeah, I could say the state. It's a small town in Texas. So, yeah. And don't think of a whole, I can't say that. There's tons of things I can and cannot say. I'm a family-friendly channel. Do not say any bad words on this channel. And yeah. And come with me on this journey as I show you my life in the small town in Texas. So yeah. Got to do all these street rules. Sorry if my hair gets in the camera. Screw it. Nah. Alright. I live close to this park. Just hit a jump there. There's my friend's house right there. Probably not home. That's the one I know. He likes to skateboard. Told you I knew everybody. Rules to a dirt bike. This is an electric dirt bike. Don't get it wrong with the gas, because gas is way louder. Electric, it goes fast. Sorry, my time just ran out. I'm recording on Meta Ray-Ban sunglasses, if you know what those are. And yeah, that's why the quality isn't
hell no, man.
Got these not that long ago. They're pretty cool. Like, you could like see my hands. See all this? And yeah, you basically see what I see. People just think I use like, oh my gosh, he has like a GoPro strapped to his head. Nope. Meta Ray-Ban sunglasses. You should definitely try them out if you actually have money. They're like about $300 a piece. So, yeah. The rules of a small town. You live in a small town, everyone knows you. You live in a big town, ain't no one gonna know you. That's the rules of a small town. So if no one knows you, the cops don't know you. So if they see something, then voila, who is it? Me. Please do not feed the ducks and geese. Excuse me. Coming through. Hold on, I'm gonna end recording real quick. I gotta do something. Crap. This is what I had to do. So yeah, that's basically just what I do. I like to hang out, have fun. Yeah, sorry. I just talk a lot. That's what a video's for. Crap. Hold on. Sorry about that. Why does hair always get in my eyes? I take my helmet off for 1 second. Crap, keys. Hold on. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so yeah. I drove to the park, hung out. Now the only right thing to do else is drive home. But I'll drive home a different way. Oh yeah, I know a way. Yeah, I know a way. Hold on. Alright, I'm cooked. Alright. Nice.
Baby, no money, got money, I'm a paradigm. 3 scoop, creatine, steam room, equinox. 3 bad thoughts giving me triceratops. 3 short kings in the squad like Eric. I'ma take your chick like a thief in the night. You off, I'm on, it's the circle of life. I'm top my shit, yeah, I'm crossing the line. Yeah, I'm BBNO, one of a kind. Mr. Zero, bro, made a typo. My girl got a girl, she an info. Ain't too good, I think I need lipo. Prop 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm a psycho. Commas in $1,000,000. That's 2. More than I'm giving in fucks. That's 2. Shotties with a big old butt. That's 2. 4G out of sets on a truck. 1 to the kidney, 2 to the dome. That's left, right, left, right, left, right, go. Got a rollie.
Okay, just put my dirt bike away. Sorry about that little car thing. That was my parents. I was joking around. I was being dramatic. Alright, so... Yo, whenever I tried to record on my glasses again, I found out they died, so at this point, there's no more.